In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Unreal Engine. So to get started, open your browser and open a new tab. Here on the search bar, search for download Unreal Engine and hit the enter key. And here is the Unreal Engine link. Click here to go to the home page of Unreal Engine. And here is the home page to download Unreal Engine. There are about 3 steps we follow. The first step is that we will need to download a launcher, and the launcher is called Epic Game. From there, we'll be able to install Unreal Engine. So the second step is to install the Epic Games. And after installing it, we'll be able to install the Unreal Engine from Epic Games. So these are the 3 steps we will follow, and you can scroll down and read about the Unreal Engine and all other things you need to know about this software. And here you can read about the system requirements. It is available for Windows, it's available for Linux, and also is available for Mac OS. So depending on whichever one you are using. Let's check the full requirements. Here is the hardware and software specification. So it's good you go through the software and hardware specification so that you can be sure that your system has the required specification to run the software. You can see all the specification here. So you can just read through to be sure that your system is capable. So let's go back to the download page. So to download, the first step is to download the launcher. So let me click on download launcher to start the download. Yes, the Epic installer has started downloading and it's about 177 MB. So in few seconds it will be downloaded. So the download is done. Let's go to the file where you have it. Come to download. Here is it, Epic installer. Double click to launch the installation. So here we are. Click on install to start the installation. The installation of the Epic Game Launcher has started. And this may take few minutes. Let me close this page. This may take several minutes depending on your system capacity. Yes, let's wait while we start the update. After installing the Epic game, we look for updates and download the current update and install it as well. So you can see the update is about 715 MB. So just make sure you are connected to the internet and also make sure your internet is strong to make the installation smooth. So after installation, here is it. You can see the shortcut on the desktop. So just click to launch it. Yes, when you open it, if you already have an account, you can sign in into Epic Games. Just enter your email and your password and sign in into Epic Game. And also you have different options to sign in. You can sign in through your Google account. You can sign in through Facebook and other means of signing. And if you don't have account, you can click here to create your own account. So I will show you how to create the account. Just click on create your own account. It will bring this page. Just scroll down and click on no or yes, whichever one is applicable to you. Then here we are on the account creation page. Here you are expected to enter your date of birth. So let me just enter the date of birth and click on continue. Here you have to fill all this information: your country, your full name, your display name and password. Just fill it, then check the time of service and click on continue. Here a verification code will be sent to your email. So a verification code has been sent to my email. Let me open my email. Click on the Gmail, and here is the Epic Games email. So let me copy the code. You can copy it or just take note of it. Then let's go back to the account creation page. Enter that code here and click on verify email. Once you click on verify email, it will bring this page. So you can link it with other accounts. Just click on link, done linking. Then it's preparing Epic Games. Yes, let me maximize this. This is the interface of Epic Games, and here you can see different games under store. You can go through and see different games that are available. So in our own case, we are not here for game. We want to install Unreal Engine. So if you are interested in any game, you can scroll down here and check for the game. But let's go for Unreal Engine, which is our focus in this video. Click on Unreal Engine. So it will bring this interface. Just click dismiss to dismiss this notification. So here we are. So let me scroll down. Here you can see the Unreal Engine available. We have the current version 5.6. This is it. You can see it here. Then if you come here, you can see install engine. Click here. Then come to this side. You can see 5.5. Click on the drop down and set current. Click on, you can read through this, read through it, and click on accept. Then here check the license agreement and click on accept. So you can see here, just check the necessary information and click on install. You can see that installation of Unreal Engine is initializing. You can see it here, and you can see the version here as well. Then you can check the progress of the download and installation by clicking on download. So here you can see that Unreal Engine is initializing. You can see the installation is ongoing. And worthy of note, if you come here, you can see the size. It is about 13 gigabytes. That is a whole lot. So just make sure you are connected to strong internet, and also your laptop is fully charged or connected to power source while you continue the download. And the download can take several hours or just an hour depending on the strength of your network. So you can also monitor the progress of the installation here. For instance, you can see we are already at 66%. So it's a series of downloading and installation. So after downloading and installing, it will also verify. We are at 99% now. Then the Unreal Engine has been installed. Similarly, Fab plugin has been installed. Then the QSES bridge is installing right now. Yes, we have successfully installed Unreal Engine, and Fab plugin has been installed. Likewise, the QSES bridge has also been installed. So after installation, you can see here, you can see, click here to launch the Unreal Engine, or you can minimize this page as well and come to desktop. You can see the shortcut on desktop of Unreal Engine. So double click to launch it. Click on allow access. Yes, you can see Unreal Engine is coming up. And when we are opening it for the first time, it takes time. it takes time to come up. Yes, here is it. You can see the interface of Unreal Engine. You can see it here. Let's maximize it. So you can open a blank page. You can see different things you can do here. So in the subsequent video, we'll be showing you how to use Unreal Engine for different purposes. But this is how to install Unreal Engine on your PC. Thank you for watching.